Instead of guessing what your customers want to subscribe to, why not let them decide? Build-A-Box subscriptions let customers DIY their dream subscription box. You choose what products customers can add to their box, how many and at what price. Then they get to make their own selection. Build-A-Box subscriptions are popular with meal kits, but the model has potential for almost any industry. Let customers create a beauty subscription that suits their skin type, routine, or budget. Have a ton of flavor, scents, or varieties? Give customers the power to choose exactly what they want. Even businesses with a smaller local reach or a limited catalog can benefit from putting customers in the driver's seat. Here's a few things to keep in mind to set your Build-A-Box up for success. First, make sure your subscribers can edit their upcoming orders to keep things fresh and flexible. Try switching up what products they can add, including new or limited edition items. Finally, give subscribers a heads up before their next box ships so they have a chance to add more products to their order. Launch or enhance your own subscription with a Build-A-Box feature. Get started today with our ebook, 7 Subscription Models to Master. We can't wait to see what you build.